Today we're doing something pretty exciting. We are going on the, I think it's called the Skyview Tower. So it's part of a hotel as well. And we're doing the see-through glass slide. And I believe it's like 20 feet. And obviously everything's transparent. So when you're going down the slide, you can see right beneath you. So kind of a popular tourist attraction here. And I'm pretty excited to give it a go. And we are just booking our tickets. And we're gonna go and do the slide. Got our ticket and gone through security. And now we're heading to the slide, the glass slide on top of the tower. Here we go, people. Observation deck first, go and get a bit more of a view of the city. Let's see what it's like down here. Wow, you wait till you see this. And there is the Burj right there. Wow, definitely worth coming. Can't even get the whole Burj in. And that's where the fountain show is, all around the water there, where the Burj is. And there's a bit more over here. I'm gonna head this direction and see what the views are like on that side. Look at this. Ooh, that's so creepy. Wow. Woo! Imagine if it broke. No, I won't say that, that's not funny. Pretty epic though. Right on the glass. And look how far the drop is. Just gonna lie here and enjoy the aircon on the see-through glass. It's the metro. I'm lying face down on the glass, guys. I'm enjoying every moment of this. This is crazy. Just look at this. Oh, it's funny because I'm watching people and some people won't even walk on the glass. They just kind of take a photo over the edge. And here's me lying face down, enjoying the view. I'm probably going to go and do this in other parts of the observation deck, you know. Overview here, guys, for you. We look right deep into the city over there. And then I'm trying to kind of place where everything is. I'm not too sure what's in the distance in the kind of near where the ocean is, right? I'm trying to think where the Atlantis the Palm is, but it's not around here. But you can probably see, well, you probably can't see, but in the distance there's the UAE flag. And there's kind of the freeway. The Burj right behind. Come on. Selfie time. Just taking a million selfies and we're gonna head to the glass slide now and enjoy the ride. Slide time, people. There's the queue. My own little selfie with the Burj Khalifa in the background. And I'm about to go on the glass slide. Here you go. Bit of a, you know, different perspective, I suppose. And all of the construction going down there, it's crazy. It's only a 50-year-old city, so can you imagine how much more building they're going to do here? Because even there, there's so much more potential here. On the mat, here we go. So let's roll it up.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. I can't film going down. Why not? Fortunately, I wasn't allowed to film. I just got on the slide and they were like, no filming, no filming. And the reason being is because they have a camera that takes photos of you coming down the slide, and then they want to charge you $80 for the privilege. I think it's such a silly rule. You've paid this money to come in, and all I want to do is just take a 6-second video of me going down the slide. So, sorry guys, no slide footage for the video.